it a pair of shoes?
No.
Is it a book?
No. We don't know what it is.
Is it a Stanley Cup?
No.
Is it from Santa Claus?
No.
Is it an angel from the state fair?
No.
Is it a picture of me?
No.
I've always wanted a picture of me.
No.
Oh, you guys.
Do you like it, Daddy?
Oh, I do like it.
You just can't get rid of it.
Oh, you guys are so funny. I've been hornswoggled.
Do you guys remember that hat for sale at the garage sale?
Yeah.
Daddy thought he could sell it, but
Angel wishes.
it didn't sell, so Nani bought it. Wrapped it up. That's why she didn't tell you guys what it was, because she
So
thought
she's
you'd read it.
re-gifted something.
She's
This is the first thing I've ever received on a birthday for a gift
Where's the other one?
from a garage sale. Oh, I don't hand me that one. Oh boy, is this one.